Let us discuss question number 83 of the paper. The question here says assault weapons are designed for assault, therefore their proliferation should be prohibited by law. Every year in the United States, 17,000 people are killed, out of which 70% of them are killed with guns, and 20,000 people commit suicide by shooting themselves. Murder by gunfire particularly affects children. In total, over 1 million Americans have died in this manner, that is through gunfire, and 80 people continue to be shot in the US every day. So a ban on assault weapons is a good point to start saving lives. So basically, this argument says that there should be a ban on assault weapons so that we can start saving lives. So which of the following, if true, would most weaken the argument presented above? So in order to find an option that would weaken this argument, we need to probably look for something that will say that this ban, that putting a ban will not be enough for this. So let's see what option A says. Deaths as a result of assault weapons are a tiny portion of the total firearms death. Well, this in any way doesn't weaken the above argument, because it clearly says that deaths as a result of assault weapons are there, they happen, although it's a tiny portion of the total firearm deaths, but we cannot deny or neglect the fact that deaths due to assault weapons take place. So therefore this in any way doesn't weaken the above argument. To ban the weapon is unfair. We should make their license policy more strict. Well, this option is simply stating the other steps that that could be taken to save lives, that is to make license policy more strict. But is it questioning the need to ban assault weapons? No. So therefore we cannot say that this is in any way helping to weaken the argument. Therefore this is an incorrect statement. If we were to accept that self-defense is the only legitimate reason for owning a gun, then we should also be able to choose which type of gun. Well, this is completely out of scope, because it is only talking about a freedom to choose a weapon to be used for self-defense, which has no connection with banning the assault weapons as such. So this is completely out of scope. People who currently use assault weapons would resort to other type of guns which would not fall under this ban. Yes, this is our answer, because the argument is said that a ban on assault weapons is a good point to start saving lives, but here it's saying that only putting a ban would probably not be enough, because people who currently use assault weapons would still keep using these weapons, or those weapons which will not fall under this ban. So basically it completely weakens the above argument, because a ban on assault weapons will not help to save lives. People who cause harm by assault weapons will still continue to cause harm, because they can obviously choose other type of weapons and other type of guns. So therefore this is the correct answer.